Good day everyone. For today's video, I'll show you how to demonstrate holding, lifting, and burping the baby with my dolly. Before you pick up the baby, make sure your hands are clean or sanitized. Wash your hands before you pick up the baby because baby's immune system is still developing. So any germs you can carry make the baby sick. Comfort is the most important thing about holding the baby. When holding the baby, it's very important to always have a hand to support the head and the neck. Always remember, holding starts with picking baby up. When you go to lift your baby, place your one hand under their head and the other hand is to their bottom. With your baby horizontal at your chest level, slide your hand from their bottom to support their neck. Slide. Gently nudge baby's head into the crook of your elbow. Move your hand from the supporting arm to their bottom. Your free arm will be able to do another things or provide extra support. Next thing is lap hold. Sit in the chair with your feet firmly on the ground and place your baby in your lap. Their head should be at your knees, face up. Lift their head with both of your hands for support and your forearms under their body. With baby's bodies parallel on your own, lift their head to shoulder high. Rest their head on your chest and shoulder so they can look out behind you. Keep one hand on their head and neck and the other one is to their bottom. This position may also allow the baby to hear your heartbeat. Lay your baby stomach down across your forearm with the head up toward your elbow. Their feet should land on their side of your hand, angle closer to the ground so the baby is at slight angle. This position is helpful if the baby is gassy and needs to be burped. Gently stroke baby's back to work out the gas. Sitting on your lap. Sit your baby on your lap, facing away from you. Place the palm of your hand flat against their chest and support their chin and jaw. Lean your baby forward slightly and with your free hand, gently rub or pat your baby's back. Lay your baby across your lap, face down, and support their chin. Use your free hand to gently rub or pat your baby's back.